Welcome back to my channel, VA Explorers. Today I'll be giving you a rundown of the company that pays within 2,000 US dollars to 7,000 US dollars a month. Alright, so stick to the end of this video. You'll be getting the job description. I'll be also letting you know about how do you get paid for this company and what are the qualifications that you're going to be requiring. I'll also go ahead to run down on the categories, and please remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because look, if you subscribe to this channel, you never know which remote job will be for you. So go ahead to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. We all want to work remotely from home, from the comfort of our home. All right, so let's go ahead into it. So you have to be a qualified professional in one of their categories. You can earn money when you answer questions online. So all the introverts, come back again to this channel. All right, so you set your own hours and work anytime. So these are the specific categories that you'll be going through. If you are a professional in giving information about cars, computers, from law to wellness, click one of them. Especially if you have a certification in one of these categories, you are more likely to be shortlisted. You can put your first name and last name, email, phone number. The next steps, you'll be prompted to provide them with your resume, certifications, and much more. So look how it works. You get paid to help people. They ask, you answer. As simple as that. Anywhere, anytime, hours. You can use either your desktop or smartphone. So there's no limitation. You can be able to use your smartphone, guys. You can be able to use your smartphone, guys. All right, so there's no hassle with having a wired internet or the hustle of getting a headset or worried about your computer specs, such as the amount of RAM, the amount of core. Look, just go ahead to apply. Choose your workload. You work on your own terms. You set your own hours. You determine your own pay. So you can grow your skill level, strive in a community that matters for you. All right, so you can simply apply online. This is a process. Then you can earn cash on the JustAnswer platform with the right credentials and work experience. You verify your credentials. We work with a third-party verification firm that checks your credentials, which just takes a few days. You can start making money if you're admitted. You'll get started by meeting with us to learn how to navigate the platform. So you don't just apply, they support you along the way to help you navigate the platform and help you get an understanding of how to earn. Your potential is endless on this platform, and they're passionate about your growth. What experts are saying about JustAnswer. So you can just go ahead to read all the testimonials and success stories from A to Z. All right, so let's go to the important part. How will I get paid? You'll be getting paid through PayPal, and you can be able to get the direct deposits with Venmo if you're in the United States only. But if it's international, worldwide, you use your PayPal to get paid. All right. Now, this is everything on the platform. I'll go ahead to provide you with the job description. Remember to subscribe and like, share, and comment below work from home opportunities for more content like these. Good luck!